Hi, this is Alicia from OnTheClock. In this video, I am going to show you how to add an administrator. So first what you are going to do is you are going to hover over settings at the top, go ahead and click on administrators and add administrator. In this first box, you are going to want to put your first name or the first name of the administrator you would like to add. In the second box here, you're going to put the last name and a mobile phone number, email address, password. You can send them a welcome email if you would like. You can also randomize a password if you would like. Write any notes to them if you would like. And then press save. Now, Dan is an administrator under Alicia. I hope this helps you.